Today on the Cooking Journal, I'm going to show you how to make a batter. Well, you can use this batter here to cook you some chicken tenders or other things. First, we're going to start with a little flour. Alrighty. Then, we're going to add just a taste of paprika. Like that. Next, your Old Faithful. Tony's Ketchup. Right there. Next, we're going to use some ranch dressing. Yes, you heard me right. Ranch dressing. I'll scrape that in there. Next, we're going to crack us an egg. Like that. Then we're going to add some water to it. Right there. And then we're going to mix this up. All right. Add a little more flour to thicken it. There we go. And as you see, we add the flour to thicken it up. And I want it a little bit more thicker, so I'm gonna add a little bit more flour in mine. I like a thicker batter, thicker coat. So let's get this mixed in there. There we go. And that's a good batter. You take your chicken tenders. Look at there. Coat them. All right, and strip off the excess. You got your grease hot. Put them in there. Get you some more chicken tenders. Coat them up real good. And you talking about a real good batter. All right, let's let these fry, and I'll show you how they look when we finish. You can see. They brown, crisp, and pretty. Ready? Look at that. That's better than what you can buy from a store. I'm talking about those you don't know how to cook. Check it out. Break this a piece. Look at that. Moist, tender, and white on this. Look. Look. Crust, crispy. And that's how you make a real good batter for your chicken tenders. Let me say. Ooh, yeah. Thank you for watching.